Hi YouTube, I'm going to show you my old canvas umbrella tent. It's probably from 60s or maybe 70s, and I use it when I want to camp in, and it's colder outside. Let's take a look. It's quite spacious, of course. Take a look inside. Plenty of room, of course. What I did here, originally it had a floor, canvas oil cloth, but I didn't like that, so I cut that, just left about 1 foot around, and I think this is way more practical. It's much easier to dry, and I think it's just more practical not having floor especially when it's colder. For example, one reason is in the morning there is condensation under the floor and you have to deal with it. This way I don't have to deal with it. There is no issue. Just to show you a little bit around how it looks like. Although it's old tent, I really like it. It has three actual windows and door, all mesh protection. It's an awesome tent. I mean, I don't know, I just love traditional canvas tents, and I don't like small tents.